Hi, so let's solve another problem. So 3, 1 is the coordinates of the midpoint of line segment xy. If the coordinates of endpoint x is 4, 7, what are the coordinates of the other endpoint y? So let's list the given. So the midpoint of xy is at 3, 1. The coordinates of point X is 4, 7. So you have there, what are the coordinates of Y? So this is unknown. Let's have this as X, Y. So again, let's start with your midpoint formula. So this is your midpoint formula. X1 plus X2 divided by 2 y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So for this one, the midpoint itself is given. So it's this point. And your other endpoint is given. That's x. So we can solve this by substituting each coordinate. So let's start. So for x, let's form your equation. You have here midpoint, you have here the other endpoint, and the unknown endpoint. So that should be the midpoint 3 is equal to this one, the x coordinate. So this will be 3 is equal to, that's 4 plus x divided by 2. Again, that's 3. The midpoint is equal to 4 plus x divided by 2. So you can solve for x, which is the x coordinate of your endpoint y. So simplifying this, you'll have here cross multiply. So that's 6. 3 times 2 is 6 is equal to 4 plus x. Now we just need to transpose. So that's 6 minus 4 is equal to x. So x is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. So that's your x coordinate. So you'll have here 2. Next, we need to solve for your y coordinate for your endpoint y. So we have to substitute your y coordinates, which is the midpoint is 1, the other endpoint is 7, and the other endpoint is unknown. That's y. So again, we'll have here 1 is equal to 7 plus y divided by 2. So again, that's 1. The midpoint is equal to your 7, which is the y coordinate of your endpoint x, and y is the y coordinate of your endpoint y. So let's simplify that. You need to cross multiply first. So that's 2 times 1. So 2 times 1 is 2 is equal to 7 plus y. Next, you have to transpose again. So that's 2 minus 7 is equal to y. So y is equal to negative 5. So there you have it. So your coordinates for your endpoint y is what? You have there x is equal to 2 and y is equal to negative 5. So that's already your answer. You have there x, 2, and y, negative 5. So I'll try to show you the graph to prove that our answer is correct. So here's the graph to prove that the endpoint y is at 2, negative 5. So it's correct. Bye. Thanks for watching.